Okay, the next is representation of variation of kinetic energy and potential energy with the height above the ground. So here we are going to represent the kinetic energy and potential energy graphically. So what happens to the kinetic energy and potential energy as we increase the height or decrease the height? Okay, so x-axis I will take as height h. Okay, and here I will take as energy. So now you all tell me what happens when we increase the height. What happens when we increase the height? If we take certain height above the ground level, what happens to the kinetic energy and what happens to the potential energy? Suppose I am throwing a ball up above the ground at certain height. So what happens to the kinetic energy? Kinetic energy decreases. Yes or no? So kinetic energy will be maximum here when we will be throwing it. So it will be maximum here. Correct here. And when it reaches to highest point, then kinetic energy becomes zero, but potential energy becomes maximum. Correct or no? So when you are throwing a ball, it moves with high speed here, but it reduces its speed as you go up. Correct or no? So what happens to the kinetic energy at the base? It is highest. So when the height is less, the kinetic energy is more. So I will start the kinetic energy. As the height increases, so I am increasing the height, kinetic energy will decrease. So the graph will be like this. So this is the kinetic energy graph for kinetic energy, correct? Because height is increasing, kinetic energy is decreasing, correct? But now if the height is increasing, here, then what happens to the potential energy? Becomes maximum. So as here height is 0, potential energy is 0. So height is 0, potential energy is 0. Height is increasing, potential energy also increases, correct? So as height increases, potential energy increases, kinetic energy decreases, correct or no? Somewhere here the height becomes h by 2, half. At this height, the kinetic energy and the potential energy will be always equal. At height h by 2, kinetic energy will be always equal to potential. See the graph here, kinetic energy and potential energy is same, correct or no? And the total energy is given here. This is total energy, which is constant, which we already discussed, correct or no?